Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to empty trash on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. There are two main ways to actually delete everything from trash. And the first method is by going to My Files app. On the left side you can scroll all the way down to find trash. Here you will find your files. You can for instance press edit in the top right corner in order to select everything over here. So here you have all, you can select everything and then you have delete all button here. In addition to that, the other way to get rid of trash and empty trash, we need to go to settings. In the settings, you want to go to device care. Over here, go to storage, and here you also find trash. Here you will find some categories, and if you go into these categories or these apps, you will find everything that is stored in the trash of the specific app. And once again, you can press edit, select everything, and then press delete all. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!